Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Life, and I am here to do a project share with Beebeecraft items. Now, if you have not seen my haul, it's a couple videos back. I had purchased some bow making kit and ribbon, and then I also had purchased a box of cabochons. Well, I say purchase, they allowed me to purchase to review their products. And with that, they had contacted me, and this is the second time. And so this is what I chose. Now, one of the items that I chose. Now, the reason why I had actually had my son help me pick out these stones, because he is so talented at making these wire rope style necklaces. And this stone is actually, and I'm hoping you can see it real good, this is actually, I believe he said, it's called an opalite. Sorry, got some fuzz from the cotton in the box. And I believe he made this one for his girlfriend, Cassie, again. And it almost looks like an opal, except for it's see-through. And you can see how he's done the back. And he has taken all these wires and he does all this wrapping. Now, this was a copper wire, and I could not even begin to tell you what he used for it, but he had actually put it in some liquid or something that he had got to actually tarnish the copper and make it a little bit darker, not so bright and shiny. And so I love how it turned out and how he's got this almost like it's the teardrop opalite, and that's what came from Beebeecraft. And then he wrapped all this around, and it's almost like a heart in the center with the, it being held. Are y'all getting the detail of that? Let me see if I can make sure that it's not blurring out and it's focusing. But I mean, do you even see just how awesome the detail of that is? And it amazes me that he can just take a stone and figure out a way to wrap it like he does, and to do it so neat and unique. Now, he chose that stone to do that necklace with. Actually, I think Cassie chose that stone. And this one is wrapped again in the silver. And look at all that wrapping detail. He has twisted all these individual wires together, wrapped all these, spun it around the top, and then of course he's got the back, and it's wrapped around here. And then he's I love how he does this around the edge. See, is it going to focus? Yeah, I love how he does this style rope. And then he's took it and it has just, I'm trying to make sure that it's comes around, and then he's doubled it off and did these little curly Q ropes to it. Now, this is the stone we received from Beebeecraft, and this is a turquoise. And then this little stone is a Swarovski crystal, and it's done in a sapphire blue. Well, he made this one for he's the oldest in the family, so he made this for his sister, but it's not the youngest sister. It's the one underneath him, Brittany, because her son is born in December for turquoise, and her daughter was born the day after her birthday, and so they shared the sapphire stone. So he made that for her. And Joshua, if you're watching this, I did show Brittany yesterday that, and she fell in love. I didn't even tell her it was hers first. She just picked this one and said, "This one's my favorite." And I said, "Well, that's good because your brother made it for you." She's like, "Really?" But yeah, see, I mean, and then I'm going to insert a couple pictures right here. the reason why I added the pictures is because that way you could see all the different stones that he chose. And if you look, he took each one. These are both teardrops, but he took them and flipped them. So you can make it any style you want. Is that not awesome? The talent. And I'm telling y'all, the quality, he really liked a lot of those stones in there. And the tiger's eye, I think, is one of his favorite stones. And I just think these turned out just super, super gorgeous. And if you're interested, I will try to remember, I forgot the last time to leave the code where you get a discount if you use my name, Carmen. I'll try to put that on the bottom of the screen. And also now they, I believe it's $40 or $45. They ship free now. And you can get a lot of items for that amount of money. It's just a really good deal. And then on top of it, you would get a discount. I think it's a 5% discount off of that if you use my code on top of it. So it's a really great deal. Their link will be in the description box below. And I think I've got a couple packages up next and a happy mail. And I hope y'all are having a great day. Thank you for taking the time. Thank you, Beebeecraft, for contacting me once again. And as everybody, I wish you all the best.